start with preparation, which is hover to promenade position. Lady stands on right foot, dances sway to left, then to side, brush and diagonally back, but we change ending. Lady turns to promenade and goes to side in promenade position. Now man steps. Man starts on left foot, dances sway to right or over sway, then with right foot to side, brush and diagonally forward. And we change ending, turn lady to promenade and we go to side in promenade position. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. It takes 2 bars, slow, 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 quick, quick. And again. Slow, 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 quick, quick. And now open natural turn from promenade position and then outside spin. Man starts with right foot from promenade forward in promenade to side across lady's line, back and lower, then small step back and pivot, next step forward outside partner, then turn around, go to side and pivoting action. Lady starts with left foot forward in promenade, then forward between man's feet, forward with left side lead, next step forward outside partner, close on toes, turn, forward between man's feet and pivot. With teaching count and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So we start from promenade position, but if we would start from closed position, then lady should do heel turn in natural turn. But because we start from promenade position, lady does not have heel turn, so she dances forward, next step forward between man's feet and forward with a left side lead. Now let's look at popular mistake in outside spin. After first step, lady will not close feet but go to side and brush. This is no good. This is not correct. No. Now we will show you correct version. After first step outside partner, lady will close feet together, and this is correct version. Yes, this is good one. Thank you. And now let's look at curve feather, open impetus and feather ending. Man starts with right foot forward, then forward with left side lead, man curves trajectory and goes outside partner, then lowers, then he goes back in CBMP, closes feet in heel turn, then leads lady to promenade position, rises on toes and goes to side in promenade position. Now forward in promenade position, then man leads lady to close promenade or turn, quarter turn to left, then forward with left side lead and forward in CBMP outside partner. And now we will look at lady's steps. Lady starts with left foot. She goes back, back with right side lead, and then back in CBMP. Next step will be forward outside partner, and when man closes feet, at the same time, lady will go to side around man's heel turn. She turns to promenade and goes to side in promenade. Now forward in promenade position. Now lady will close promenade. Let's look again. Lady turns quarter turn to left to close promenade. Then back with right side lead and back in CBMP. Now with teaching count and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Again, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at open telemark, feather ending and hover telemark. Man starts with left foot, forward. He leads lady to heel turn. Again, forward, then to side around lady's heel turn, brush and to side in promenade. Now forward in promenade and he leads lady to close promenade. Continues forward with left side lead, forward in CBMP outside partner. Now forward, diagonally forward brush and diagonally forward. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot, back, then closes feet in heel turn, again, back, closes feet in heel turn, rises on toes, goes to side in promenade. Now forward in promenade, closes promenade with turn, quarter turn to left, then back, right side lead and back in CBMP. Then step back, diagonally back, brush and diagonally back. Now let's look at these figures with teaching count and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at whole routine in slow motion. Slow, 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 quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And slow, 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 quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at whole routine to music. you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.